A lot of times people cook
buffalo wings.
She does a different one with the oyster sauce, and it's really, really, really good.
Think sweet and savory and so sticky and delicious. Yeah. I have little chicken wings and there's some little chicken drummies. 3 tablespoons, just a canola oil if you like vegetable oil. We're going to get that nice and heated up. Favorite trick. And it's ready.
There we go.
When you do a little bit of water, it lets you know it's good and hot. It sizzles. Now I'm just going to take all of my little chicken pieces. I'm going to put them in. Now while my chicken is in there and it's cooking, I am going to sprinkle some of my garlic powder. However much you like. I just like to make sure mine are all coated. Maybe a couple of teaspoons. And I have about 3.5 pounds of chicken drummies. We're going to cover it up. While that's going on, we're going to make our sauce. We are going to take 1/2 cup of hot water. Okay. Some soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Okay. You're going to do 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It's important that you get the stuff that's very thick. It's going to take a while. It's almost like molasses. No,
don't shake it?
Nope. It just kind of will gradually come out on its own. Well, I guess you can shake it. Here, I'm giving it to you.
Holy moly, it's in there.
One.
It doesn't stick to the teaspoon thing that bad. Oh, there we go.
Here.
There we go.
There's 2.
You said 3?
I said 3. And then we're also going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar. Tablespoon. Put it in there. And mix.
Okay.
That's your sauce. What do you think?
It smells really good.
And it's so easy. Okay, we're going to take a look at our chicken wings. We'll give them a flip. Let's see how they look. Ooh, they're starting to brown up. All right, guys. Let's see how... Okay, so see, now you can see got a good, nice brown crust on the one side. That's what we want. So, we've got all of our wings browned up. Nice and golden brown, right? I'm going to take a couple paper towels. Then I grab a new one. And I'm going to kind of tip it. I want to get some of that oil out of there. And I saw somebody did this, and I thought, what a fantastic thing to do. And actually, I'm going to get a couple more. Because as you can see, once the chicken skin kind of cooks, that too produces fat, and you were already cooking them to crisp them up. So we just want to get that out of there. And I really do make an effort to get as much out of it as I can. You can see, I got a whole bunch more. That's about it. I'm going to keep it set around 400. I'm going to take this lush sauce that you made and just pour it over the top. Now you get all those wings and you move them and you get them in that sauce. I try to lay everything as flat as I can. And you're just going to let it now start reducing. There, you can have a little drumstick. Just one. All right, friends. We'll go ahead and we'll take them out. You see, nice. Something other than buffalo.
I like beef better than buffalo.
And there you have it, my friends. Chicken wings with oyster sauce. And I like the wings.
Yeah.
We'll get in
Oh,
there.
this one cool.
Okay. Okay.
Mmm. No, man, that's good.
So, we hope you had a good time. Like and subscribe. And we hope to see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, friends.